Hello, myself Christy Burgess. More details of mine are given here. And this is the book I have written for General Aptitude, which is available in Amazon and Flipkart. And this profile in Unacademy you can follow to get 300 plus free classes for General Aptitude and Vedic Mathematics. And daily live classes happen at 11 a.m. in this profile and in the YouTube channel of Unacademy. My YouTube channel, different videos you can access by a single keyword, General Aptitude with Christy Burgess. And these are some of the details of few of my workshops and all. And this is the details of the WhatsApp group and Telegram group. And in the Telegram group, daily live quizzes happen at 9 p.m. You all are welcome to be part of this Telegram group and be part of that quizzes also. So this video is about Pythagoras theorem, and I will be discussing Pythagoras theorem, how much needed for your competitive exam. I'm explaining from that perspective. In school days, all of you have learned this Pythagoras theorem for a right triangle. Base square plus height square or base square plus altitude square is hypotenuse square. So this is called Pythagoras theorem. And more than Pythagoras theorem, if you are more familiar with Pythagorean triplet, that will help you a lot in doing many questions faster. For example, when you are given 7 as one side and 24 as another side, finding the third side using 24 square plus 7 square will be time consuming. But if you know that 7, 24, 25 is Pythagorean triplet, 7, 24, the third side is 25, you can directly write. And another use of Pythagorean triplets are, first of all, Pythagorean triplet means a triplet which satisfies Pythagoras theorem as the name suggests. So all these are some major Pythagorean triplets. So in the case of Pythagorean triplet, another use of Pythagorean triplet is, if you see that a triangle satisfies Pythagorean triplet. For example, if you see the sides of a triangle is 6, 8, 10, and in the question it is not specified that it is a right triangle. Without a doubt, you can confirm it is a right triangle because only right triangle satisfies Pythagorean triplet. So, and why that is relevant? Because if you know that it is a right triangle, for example, a random triangle is given like this 6, 8, 10, and you are asked to find the area. If only sides are given, you can use only root of s into s minus 1 into s minus a into s minus b into s minus c formula to find the area. But that is very time consuming. But if you know that it is a right triangle, you can identify this is base and this is height. So you can just use half base into height. And that is the answer. That will save a lot of time. So these are two uses of Pythagorean triplet. Now how to learn Pythagorean triplet, I will tell you a technique. First of all, if you can learn at least these two Pythagorean triplet, that itself generate infinitely many Pythagorean triplets. Because Pythagorean triplet have a property that any scalar multiple of it will be also Pythagorean triplet. That means if you multiply 3, 4, 5 by 2, you will get 6, 8, 10. That is also Pythagorean. If you multiply it by 3, you will get 9, 12, 15. 3 into 3, 4 into 3, 5 into 3, you will get 9, 12, 15. And if you multiply by 4, 5, 6, if you multiply by 10, what you will get? 30, 40, 50. That is also Pythagorean. You can check it. 30 square 900, 40 square 1600, adding it up you will get 2500, which is 50 square. That is satisfying this theorem. So any scalar multiple of Pythagorean triplet, this property will help you to identify more Pythagorean triplet. That doesn't mean all the Pythagorean triplet can be derived like this, because these all are not derived from the above mentioned Pythagorean triplets. So as much Pythagorean triplets you know, geometry, many questions can become easy due to that. And this is a concept that will help you in distance and direction based questions also, because there also questions can be there that a person is walking and finally he is reaching a place. There also the chances of involving right triangles and the hypotenuse calculation is important. There also this will be very useful. Hope this concept or this flashcard is clear to all of you. More flashcards like this is available in my Telegram channel media section. You can download it there, download it free from there. And if you want the printed study material flashcards as printed study materials, you can purchase it in Amazon. So thank you.